Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We will start with Stellar, followed by Lido DAO, Quant, Cronos, Near, Hedera, VeChain, Internet Computer, and then we'll end it with Apecoin at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Stellar Lumens against BTC. Here we are. We are very close to the target. We've had this target since, drumroll please, 25th of January 2023. It's already been February, March. 2 months, for 2 months, and we have been slowly crawling our way down. Again, we are guessing, purely guessing, that this is a 3-wave structure, right, for Stellar against Bitcoin. So I think there's going to be a little bit more downside. I suspect we're going to overshoot our targets and hit a little bit lower, right? You can actually plot this individual wave down by itself, right? Can you see it? It's an A, we went up for a B, and now we're down for a C, ABC. But this is a very big ABC though. So yeah, my hope is that one fine day we break the resistance and then we go parabolic. One fine day, hopefully. But yeah, we'll take things one step at a time. So for now, we remain biased, bearish for Stellar Lumens. We still have our target over here at 7 cents. We're at 8 cents, 8.35. And I feel like we're forming a mountain over here. Mountain 1 maybe, mountain 2, 3, fall a bit lower. Could we hit a little bit higher as well? Form a head and shoulders, of course. Of course, for sure we could. But yeah, again, we're still biased bearish. But I mean, we've come a really long way. So I suspect that Stellar Lumens is very close to the end of the bearish trend. But again, we respect the skinny pink line. As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain biased. Sorry, bearish, right? Because we're under it, right? As long as we're above it, we remain biased bullish. As long as we're under it, we remain biased bearish. So we are still bearish for Stellar Lumens. Hopefully one fine day, we see this, we break above the skinny pink line for real, for good. But yeah, we haven't touched it since November 2021. It's been super duper uber bearish. So there you freaking go. Lido DAO, LDO BTC, here we are. Yeah, I also do feel like this has potential to become a continuation chart pattern in the form of a symmetrical triangle. But yeah, again, we're not entirely sure because this could also be seen as a bearish chart pattern, right? A descending triangle, we hit lower. Absolutely possible. So you need to be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for LDO, right? Same thing here. Can you see this? Yeah, you can call this head and shoulders if you want to. Potentially it could. Yeah, but I don't see any, bullish moves coming on for LDO. Not anytime soon. So yeah, it's pretty bearish to me. Quant against BTC. Oh, we've crossed the skinny pink line. This is not good. Which means that potentially the bearish trend for Quant may have already started right now. We're slicing through the skinny pink line. Sure, we may slice back up, but I suspect Quant is going to spend some time under the skinny pink line. So not a good bullish sign. It's a bearish sign. Quant against USDT. Yeah, you can see that this is a huge mountain range, right? Over here, when we saw the mountain range, we were like, hey, could this be the head and shoulders that we, collapsed down from? Yeah, apparently not. Apparently, there were real shenanigans. So something like this happened. Pew! We took out the so-called right shoulder, right? And then we form another bigger right shoulder in the form of a head and shoulders. So Quant is actually head and shoulders coin, right? It's got a lot of dandruff. Can you see the dandruff? Yeah, so my point is that I think there's still more downside to come for Quant against USDT. I don't think it is done yet. So yeah, there's just not much support over here. So I think we're probably going to hit to sub $70. So you're going to see like 60 something dollars, right? 121. So this is going to be a potential 50% collapse for Quant against USDT. So be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Quant. Cronos against BTC. We look at it on KuCoin. So for Cronos on KuCoin, yeah, we're saying that very likely we're going to take out the lows over here. We've already taken it out. There's another low over here, which I think we're going to be targeting. So yeah, Cronos is dropping. But one thing we like about Cronos is that it's always building steps before it falls. Step by step, right? Step by step, it's falling. So I feel like again, the end may not be too far away, but the end may be like, I don't know, 40%. So be very careful. Be very careful. Cronos against USDT. Yeah, I don't really like what I'm saying because this could be a head and shoulders as well. It's not gonna be good, right? Again, but there's also like steps for Cronos against USDT, right? Step by step, right? Step by so a lot of steps as we fall lower, right? Step here, step here. I think this is another step lower. So yeah, I mean I could be wrong though. I could be wrong, and this could be the first break of the skinny pink line, but as it stands, no. Yeah, every time we get slap, right? There's a nice slap that comes in every time. So be careful about going to trade too soon for Cronos. Near is not good as well. Oh boy. Near is also, you can see we're forming mountains, right? We're not forming valleys. If you look over here, before we rose, there's valleys. Wow, right? Again, valleys. This is a symmetrical triangle, right? But the point is, you can see this as a series of valleys as well. Moreover, we're above the skinny pink line, so bullish trend, right? The moment we cross down the skinny pink line, that's it. Bearish trend, and we remain with our bearish bias for near against Bitcoin. So how low are we gonna go? I'm not too sure. Could we take out the lows over here? Potentially. Any sign of a reversal yet? Nope. Any targets? Nope. Yeah, but we're still very bearish, so be careful, right? Be very careful. Near USDT. Any signs of life yet? Nope. Could we take out these lows? We're not too sure. Any targets? No. We're still in a bearish bias for near, right? Bearish trend. So yeah, the expectation is still more downside for near against USD. But this could be the very beginning of a new move, right? 1, 2, right? We can get a 3, 4, 5. But yeah, I just don't see that 2 yet, because this could also come all the way back down and we get another type of a bearish chart pattern, right? A descending triangle and we hit lower. So yeah, it's just unclear. So near is a next. I think we move on to the next coin. We don't dwell in it. HBAR against BTC. Here we are, HBAR. Yeah, I still expect us to drop at least 30%, I think. Yeah, 30-40%. So it's just not really looking that good for Hedera hash graph. I still think we're going to take out these lows, and I think that these lows are going to hold. I don't think we're going to take out these lows. So yeah, but there's just no clear tradable chart pattern for HBAR against BTC. I still expect more downside, right? Yes, we did slice above the skinny pink line, but you can see that we are getting slapped very hard, right? We are going back to square one. We're headed towards square one, so it's not good, right? Of course, we could bounce, get a mountain range, and continue heading lower. So be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Hedera hash graph. HBAR against USD. Yeah, again, this is not good, right? We were saying many times before, this could be a very big head and shoulders, right? Although I don't think it is, but this could, fall really low. I still think that that there is potential that we may rise down. Sorry, we may fall down to this noisy area over here at around 1 cent. We're at 6 cents right now, so 6 to 1 is going to be a brutal 79%. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but it's just not really looking that good to me. I don't see any clear signs of a bullish reversal. What bullish reversal is this? Could this be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? It could, but normally, before things rise back up, we will usually see some sort of a accumulation first before we head higher, right? So even if we were to start switching towards the bullish side of things, there will be an accumulation period before we head higher. So it has not come yet, and just because we don't see it doesn't mean we can't just in the next hour we just start going ape for HBAR. Of course, it could just out of nowhere start rising, but technical wise, no, it's not looking that good. So be careful about Hedera. VeChain, what's up, Sunny Lou? VeChain against BTC. Yeah, we are slicing through the mountain range. We were saying that this looks like a mountain range. Of course, the reverse is true as well. You can consider this as a series of valleys that we could have broken out from. But the moment you see the price start, heading towards the support, then yeah, it's just not that good. You can feel the desire, the urge for VeChain to break above the skinny pink line. Eventually we will. Maybe this could be a very big left shoulder in the making, right? We drop however low we want to drop, and after that we start forming the head. We complete the head, and after that we blast off. We could do something like this, but for now it is just not really looking that good. So stay safe. VeChain against USDT. Yeah, so we were saying that previously VeChain could have formed a very nice, right, inverse head and shoulders, and then we break higher. Would have been awesome, but yeah, we didn't get it, right? We broke above the skinny pink line, but we couldn't sustain the move above it. So yeah, got a very nice slap down. Pah! What's happening now? No clear signs of a reversal. Could we be heading lower? Sure. Any bearish sharp patterns? Nope. No targets? Nope. All I know is that we're under the skinny pink line. So yeah, this could be like the first move, you know. Alright, look at this. We touch the skinny pink line, but we continue higher. And we touch it again. Touch it. Okay, we didn't touch this. We dropped really, so, you know, there was big selling coming in for VeChain. And then we rose higher. We crossed the skinny pink line. We rose a little bit higher. Cross it again. Rose a bit higher. And then we cross it for good. That's it. The moment we cross this, that's it. Sayonara. As in like, sayonara, we're dropping, right? Again, so this could be like a teaser of what's to come, right? Teaser, fall, right? So teaser, maybe, fall a little bit, hit the skinny pink line again, teaser, and then we break, right? Teaser, break. Maybe, but the point is, we don't have any clear tradable chart patterns, no bearish chart patterns for VeChain, so we can't be, no targets for us, and no bullish reversal. ICP against BTC. Here we are, ICP. Yeah, you can see mountain ranges. Mountain. We drop, yes. Or we just drop straight from here, just double mountain. Sandwiched with a little baby mountain here, right? Papa mountain, holding hands with baby mountain and mama mountain. And then boom, we drop, right? Together, the mountain family goes lower. Yeah, I still don't see any clear signs of a reversal yet. You know, we're just dropping in a very controlled manner. Hopefully we see some sort of a reversal, but yeah, ICP doesn't really look that good yet, especially against the BTC pair. USD, yeah, we were saying that maybe we might get an inverse head and shoulders, but we didn't get it, you know, again, a teaser of what's to come, maybe, for ICP. We could get a symmetrical triangle over here as well, right? This whole thing could be an A, up, B, come down for a C, right? D, E, pump. We break higher. We could do something like this, but yeah, again, we could also do something like this, right? Descending triangle, head lower. Of course we could, but yeah, again, I don't see any clear signs of a reversal yet. But if you were to zoom out, right, this feels like doesn't mean it is, but feels like this could be an accumulation zone that the whales are accumulating internet computer for, and then eventually it breaks higher, right? I suspect something like this could be happening. So yeah, I mean, once we see it, we will know, but we still don't see it yet. So there you go. Apecoin, Ape against BTC. Here we are for Apecoin. Yeah, mountains. All I see are mountains, right? So more downside, very likely. Ape against USDT. Okay, Ape against USDT feels to me like a potential inverse head and shoulders, but you know, we need to rise up towards the resistance line, right? To complete the right shoulder, we have to rise up here, but we're not rising up for Ape USDT, right? We're heading lower because there's also danger over here. We could get mountain ranges, right? Head and shoulders of sorts. We could still head lower. So my point is that Ape just is very uncertain. So yeah, be very careful about rushing to a trade too soon for Ape. I just don't see it yet. So yeah, stay safe. All right, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.